Okay, good. First, I got to apologize for yesterday. I couldn't upload the video because yesterday I got up when I got back, it was really late from work, almost like 1, 2 a.m. I was so tired and I had this song I needed to complete or at least go halfway, recording it. So I got to it. Anyways, it's not done yet. You know what? I'm going to play it to you guys. Okay. I'm going to play it so that you guys can tell me, give me your feedback. What do you think about it? Okay. Pay attention from your hit maker. Let me just play the demo right quick. Hook this thing up. What is it? Okay, here. I'm going to hook this thing up right now.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah. I woke up in the morning feeling my life was wrong. Can we talk about us, girl? I know you see it, but it seems like you're okay. Are you really in love, baby? Sometimes I cannot be myself when I look at you. I don't want you hurt. I better let you know. So I give you reason one. I've been listening to everybody trying to tell me how to live my life. I give you reason two. We so different, we don't even have a single thing that we both like. I give you reason three. I don't like the alcohol, girl. I'm the type that will stay up and cuddle up, girl. Now I'm counting reason for getting closer to the fifth, girl. I'm getting fed up. I figure you should know I'm the type of motherfucker that will walk away and never turn back. I figure you should know all the attitude you showing up, the shit is getting on my nerves. I figure you should know that the nigga holding up cause the stupid vows tied us up. I figure you should know, girl. So I wanna let you know, girl. I thought I'd let you know. Where's the loving, where's the feelings and the hooking up? I thought that people get relationship because they love. Everybody told me different. Hanging there for the bigger picture. You don't know how a nigga feels. I'm feeling like a prisoner with myself. Baby, it's not about the sex, I don't wanna get you hurt, cause the reason is all on me. So I give you reason why. I've been listening to everybody trying to tell me how to live my life. I give you reason too. We so different, we don't even have a single thing that we both like. I give you reason three. I don't like the alcohol, girl. I'm the type that will stay up and cuddle up, girl. Now I'm counting reason for getting closer to the fifth, girl. I'm getting fed up. I figure you should know I'm the type of motherfucker that will walk away and never turn back. I figure you should know all the attitude you showing up, the shit is getting on my nerves. I figure you should know that the nigga holding up cause the stupid vows tied us up. I figure you should know, girl. So I wanna let you know, girl. I thought I'd let you know. You should know I'm the type of motherfucker that will walk away and never turn back. I figure you should know all the attitude you showing up, the shit is getting on my nerves. I figure you should know that a nigga holding up, cause the stupid vows tied us up. I figure you should know, oh, girl. So I wanna let you know, oh, girl. I thought I'd let you know.
Yeah, that third verse is what I need to write, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it tonight or probably tomorrow. You know, I'm so tired. I just got off from work anyways. So yeah, that was what I did yesterday. I couldn't upload, it was too late, and yeah, I hope you like it, and if you did, let me know. Okay, it's not the final version, this is just a demo for it. But anyways, now let's go back to our normal setting. Let's go see how this thing is doing today. So yeah, I would like to know how I did on that one, right? So hey, it doesn't cost you anything to give me a feedback, all right? But anyways, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please understand that this, my friends, is not financial advice. You are more than free to do whatever you like with your money. And so am I. And that being said, let's grab a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Yeah, everything, guys, definitely everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. First, we look at market performance for the past 24 hours. I know, right? It's so funny every time I remember that. After that, we look at our positions, okay? Yeah, a lot of people will be saying one thing or the other thing. No. I say it in the wrong order. First, market performance. Then, prices in details. And last but not the least, we look at our positions. Are we buying Lambos yet? But before we do that, guys, this is just something, as you can see, like now everybody, they have started to understand the reason why I always say Casper to $10. People have started to jump into that bandwagon. I told you guys the other day, this channel that had like millions of followers on X, they were the first people to talk about Casper, and I told you it has started. Okay, I told you people are now looking at Casper because they know the next big thing. If you miss Bitcoin, Casper is the one you do not want to miss. But yet, a lot of you, they thought like, yeah, you can go do this and you can go into meme coins, you can do into that. But people don't pay attention until that very thing you've been warning them about happens. And then everybody will be like, oh, I wish I could have done this. I wish I would have said this. I wish I would have gone the other way. But now, I'm sitting here almost every day talking about this coin, not just because I like to talk about it, but because, like I said, read the name on the channel, My Millionaire Journey. Read it. And that means we're looking for those things that will take us from zero to millionaire status, right? So if you start looking at that, I told you first, look at Quant. Quant is a coin that most people don't understand. Most people don't take their time to read. It gets a lot of hate. Quant gets a lot of hate because it went up there to $400, okay? And it dropped. Quant dropped from $400 to the lowest ever. And a lot of people who were getting into Quant, if you look at the metrics, people were starting to get into Quant around that $200-300. You understand? And again, those are the people, or majority, who did not look. People understood Quant's technology. Okay, they understood what Quant brings to the table. That's what they FOMO'd in. But again, if you start looking at something, I always tell you guys, do not try to catch that falling knife. And that is not only for for Caspa. This is in anything you trade, cryptocurrency, stock market, bond markets, whatever you are trading. Do not do not try to catch that falling knife. Don't. And that's what happened to a lot of people about Quant. When Quant was shooting up $200, $300, and people like, oh crap, Quant is gone. Look at the total supply. Oh, look at this. You start seeing people talking about it. But what they did not realize is that that was the end of the bull market. You know, these guys are going to give you that candy, that nice taste of candy, or maybe some nice coffee, and you're going to be like, I like the coffee. But once you set it down, they switch it. They put something else in it. And when you go taste it again, you'll be like, what in the world is this? It'll be too late. You already drunk it, right? You already drunk it. That's exactly what happened to most of the people right now in the bull market. Okay, everybody was jumping in. Oh, Quant is getting in. Oh, Quant is not blah blah blah, and all of a sudden, boom, they got handed the hot potatoes because there were people that had 50,000 coins, 100,000 coins, all this stuff because they bought it when it was at $1 or something. They're about there, and seeing it at $400. Oh yeah, I don't blame them because I would have sold too. Now they're all gone. Nobody likes Quant, but the technology is something that you cannot deny. And look at the world around you, you will see that Quant is setting up that stage. It is setting up that stage. And again, in this My Millionaire journey, we want to get in before everybody and their grandmama starts to get in. Okay, so you're about to start seeing it, and the price action is also starting to reflect it. Anyways, now, if you go to the next one, okay, you start talking about cubic. So you read about cubic, you will not actually understand it. But I will explain it to you in a way even my 5-year-old, my 9-year-old son will understand. Look around you today. AI hat, AI glasses, AI maxi mug, AI microphone. Everything, when you look around, is based on AI. That is telling you where we are going. You drive a Tesla, AI, automated. You drive a Honky or whatever you call them in China, automated. Okay? You fly in a plane, they have AI monitors. You go to the hospitals, there are even some hospitals right now, there is AI controlled robots. Oh, I need a sample. The AI goes and gets it. That is what that is what Cubic is building on. Now imagine, I always tell you, high risk, high rewards, right? Imagine this thing goes live with an ecosystem in which now some apps with the AI running on Cubic, some gaming on AI running on Cubic, DeFi on AI running on Cubic, and blah 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 is happening. Okay, now for me, I don't see anything that will beat Casper when it comes to that thing, but you have the first movers advantage. Cubic might not reach up there to $5 or whatever, but you have that first movers advantage, because when everybody and their grandmama turns around and see, oh, there is a kid on the block, he's not the most popular kid, but his name is Cubic, oh, we can make money out of this. By then price will be up. Maybe 3 zeros and a 1 the next bull run, maybe 2 zeros and a 1 the next bull run. But guess what Cubic is on right now? 5 zeros. 5 I always tell you guys, it's like, just look at the market cap. Look at the market cap of Cubic, and it's a layer 1. So it means even if it did not perform as good as a lot of people expect, this thing could go up to $1, $2, $3, $4 billion, or even $5 billion. Imagine what your $1,000 worth of Cubic will be when it gets there. Okay, I always tell you, calculate that. Those are the kind of things I look at, because again, the narrative is something that people are going to use. Now, Will they deliver? We don't know. But if they deliver, that's why I said high risk, high rewards. If they deliver, your $1,000 will be looking at probably $500,000 if they deliver. Because I'm telling you, for me, 3 zeros and a 1 this run. Because the narrative is a very strong one. And Cubic, my friends, is going to surprise a lot of people. It will surprise because the technology is solid. Very solid. The only thing is, I want to see how it is going to perform when the King Casper shows up, which I already told you. Now, if you circle back to Casper, the last video I told you, 10,000 Caspers. I've been saying this for the longest, and you guys sitting here looking at it, not making your moves, not knowing that. Again, look at a couple of months ago, how much was 10,000 Casper? A couple of weeks ago, how much was it? Look at it today. How much is it? As you can see, if you can pinpoint, you will know that this is taking off. It's going slowly. It's going because now a lot of you were crying about Binance not listing it. Did you see what OKX is doing? Did you see what Crypto.com did? Yeah, I mean, they are not going to tell you we are doing this because in the eyes of the law, it's considered market manipulation. They will just tell you, oh, we're doing this when it's like 24 hours left and boom, it goes live. And then you will understand, okay? Because most people, like, they just sit there, oh, Bitcoin this, Bitcoin that. At the end of the day, like I told you, I got into Bitcoin at 3 grand. But if you did not get into Bitcoin at sub 10 grand, you are not going to make money with it. It's a myth. That myth is getting destroyed slowly. Yes, it's going to go up, maybe $500,000, maybe $300,000, but not this run. Not this run. All these people coming around telling you, oh yeah, recession is not here. Oh yeah, this is not going to happen. And we're going to kick it down the line. Are you looking at the world's economy? Have you ever go to your local grocery stores? If you live in the United States, you will understand exactly what I'm talking about. And when recession hits, I am telling you guys, this money is not going to roll into Bitcoin. Go look at the M2. People getting ready because when stocks fail, everybody and their grandmama wants to have that cash ready to dive in. I am one of them. I am one of them. I want to have that cash because as the market goes down, I want to short the living Jesus out of Bitcoin and a bunch of other coins. Okay, the money to do that will give me the capital for the next bull run. Now, house money, not even mine anymore. But again, if you go back to Casper, you begin to understand what I'm talking about. Because Casper is the second coming of the Bitcoin. And anybody who doesn't understand this, I don't know what to tell them. Okay, I don't know. You look at the sharding or whatever you call it, the upgrade that Ethereum did the other day. How is that going for them? They're trying to keep up with Casper right now because they know. I told you Ethereum numbers, Ethereum days are numbered. So yeah, it is happening and everybody's looking at you, looking over there. Oh yeah, oh this, oh that. Again, I asked you the other day, do you know the reason why Solana, Crashilandia, do you know why it's going up? Solana is the go-to right now because Casper is not there yet. Once Casper gets up, you will see. You will see what I'm talking about. And now everybody's looking at 10, 12 cents, whatever the price is right now. Everybody's looking at it. Oh, it's not running. Oh, it's not going. How do you expect it to run? We just have Casplex only right now. Wait and see, okay, when Sparkle goes live. Wait and see when Ingra Labs goes live. And even before that, these L1s, this layer, what you call it, DEX of first tier 1 exchanges is a frenzy. Because like I just told you seconds ago, Crypto.com, oh, how to buy Casper. OKX, oh, Casper this. You see how they're coming, right? Big exchanges that have started talking about Casper. Then your good old daddy, Binance, is going to be one of them too. Okay, it is coming, guys. It is. I told you guys July, right? July, August. For me, yeah, I will look at the markets. There's a bunch of things that are telling me that, yeah, that may be time to close shop. But again, you guys know me. I will look at the market and look at it. Yeah, if it is time to close shop, we do. If it is not, we keep on holding until that time comes. But July, August is really that a time frame I am going to pay attention. I don't know about you. I'm not your financial advisor. Okay? So, yeah, talking back about what's going on. Solana is flying right now because Ethereum, even after with those upgrades, is nowhere to be found. Okay, so Solana is going. Imagine now, once Casper shows up, oh my God, the party hasn't started yet. The party will start once the king shows up, and you will understand. You will see, because now the ecosystem that these guys are building, if you start going into details on this thing, oh my God, you will understand that this is a gold mine. And sometimes, like, you look at it, it's a wallet right there. I can't really pinpoint it, but that wallet, it might be like, it looks like institutions are starting to look at Casper, because you know how it went to almost like $1.7 billion. All of a sudden we are back above $3 billion. See, that's the kind of move I'm telling you. You might not see it, but you see how it went from 5 cents to 12 in not even 2 weeks. You are about to miss the biggest opportunity of your life. If you sit there and be going like, yeah, Solana this, yeah, Bitcoin this. I told you, it's a simple metric, simple thing. Put $1,000 on Solana and put $1,000 on Bitcoin, on Casper. Where do you think you're going to make more money? What do you think? You buy 10,000 Caspers right now, and you buy $1,000 worth of Solana, which is what? I don't think it is even 3 or 4 pieces of Solana. Even if Solana goes to $1,000, you are not going to make more money than in Casper. Because if, let's say, Casper didn't perform good, like a lot of people are saying, you buy 10,000 Casper and Casper goes to $2, that's $20,000. Versus Solana, $1,000 worth of it might give you 3 or 3.5 Solanas. If Solana goes to $1,000, you have only got what? $3,000, $4,000 compared that to 20 grand. I'm telling you, short term, you are going to make you an insane amount with Casper. Long term, that is where millionaires are laying. I gave you a strategy the other day. If you want to use it, that's a way. That is a way. But if you want to miss this, because we're going to be here a couple of years down the line, and a lot of people will remember me. Trust me, a lot of people will be like, that crazy guy on YouTube, that crazy guy that was always telling us buy 10,000 Caspers, although it wasn't financial advice. But yeah, I wish I had did it then. Look at that generational wealth, right? Days like this today, you see the market taking a breather, and then you see everybody and their grandmama coming out there. Look, it's crashing. Look. Really? Look at Bitcoin. I told you, all season is here. If you took that advice, you will right now you will not be crying or complaining about the market, because I told you, Bitcoin pumps, certain altcoins pump, Bitcoins dump, certain altcoins, if not the entire market, dumps. Therefore, the bull run that everybody is expecting, where money is going to trickle down, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, and you guys will see it. Don't say I did not warn you. There's so many signs right now. Like today, I was listening to this analyst talking about, yeah, Bitcoin to $500,000 by 2026. I was like, huh. And then I went and looked. He said Bitcoin maxi. I said, oh yeah, now we know why. Because I'm telling you, go look at the U.S. economy. Look at the world's economy. China, the biggest powers. China, Japan. Look at their economies. And you think those guys are going to take their cash and put into Bitcoin? Are you shitting me? It's not going to happen. So many times. Well, I'm just going to leave it there. because I'm telling you that is a motive for me to grab my AI Maxi mug and have the biggest laugh of my life, and you guys will see. Just don't say I didn't warn you. All right, just don't say that, because I will sit here and I will laugh the living Jesus out of all of you that didn't listen. You'll see. Anyways, let's go right quick. Let's go look at the market. Okay, I'm telling you, I'm so tired. I worked 12 hours today, so I am so tired. But anyways, let's go look at the market right quick. Let's see what the market has been doing for the past 24 hours. Today, see, Bitcoin is doing its thing. All coins, they're also doing the same thing. That's oh yeah, the guy that say he's a double top Bitcoin. How does that feel? Anyways, now let's go right there. Let's look at first King Casper, KAS. King Casper. For the past hour, Casper is up 0.5%, 3.8% up. Down on the day, 0.5% down on the week, 45.2% down on the month, and 10.2%. Oh man, I can't even see. This is how tired I am. 45.2% up on the month and 10.2% down the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.87 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $72.66 million. You see? Look at that market cap, look at that volume, right? Yeah, it is starting to cook again. So let's go look at Quant, QNT, the coin a lot of people love to hate, and the banker's coin, right? For the past hour, 1% up, 4.1% up on the day, 5.1% down on the week, 43.4% up on the month, and 4.1% down on the year. I keep telling you, pay attention to that number, that yearly number, because that thing, it will start to run. Anyways, if you look at the market cap, we are sitting at $1.37 billion and a 24 hours volume traded at $19.38 million. Looking at cubic, high risk, high reward, and we say here for the past hour, 0.5% up, 0.4% up on the day, 6.8% down on the week, 14.3% up on the month, and 74% down the year, sitting at the market cap of $163.49 million. Man, that is almost free. And the 24 hours volume traded at $1.63 million. Now, looking at Jasmine, the Japanese Bitcoin, let's see what we got going on there. JAS. See, Jasmine is doing this. That tells you that Bitcoin is also raving the engine. So, if you look at this, 0.3% up the last hour, laying down flat on the day, 10.7% down on the week, 28.1% up on the month, and 14.8% down on the year, sitting at the market cap of $833.87 million and a 24 hours volume traded at $40.40 million. That volume is too low. That's a sign of something. I'm telling you, it's a sign of something that is about to blow. Now, if you look at the big orange guy, which is Bitcoin, you see here for the past hour laying flat. On the day, 0.4% up, 0.5% down on the week, 21.8% up on the month, and 54.1% up in the year, sitting at the market cap of $2.05 trillion and a 24 hours volume traded at $17.64 billion. Again, that volume, it is screaming that something is about to happen. Anyways, now let's go look at prices in details right quick, okay? In details, we're gonna need our friend Trading View, and you about to see this. Let's see the correlation first between Bitcoin and the Dixie. This is not a good thing. Somebody got to give. Bitcoin and Dixie going up at the same time. Yeah, I told you guys, no, it's not good. Okay. Anyways, if you look at the here, we're gonna start. Oh, Quant is here. We may as well start with Quant then. The last hour, this has been crazy in price action for the past 2-3 days. It's been crazy because Bitcoin went down and everybody was calling for that double top. Okay, if you can see, we've had this same, look at that green line. the same green line which we broke out of. I think, let me go on the 4 hours. I think it will show it better. Okay, there. I told you, you guys do remember, right? When I told you, hey, whenever price breaks out, it always comes back to retest that former resistance as support. We broke out, we met that target, right? But we never came back to retest. So as you can see, it broke out, it is coming back, retest, and bam, up we went. A lot of people are going to say, yeah, look at the ribbon, which is true. Look at the ribbon, but you can see that ribbon has started to curve upwards. We've just tested it and got rejected. Now let's see the next candle in about an hour 44 minutes. Let's see how that ends. If that candle starts green, yeah, that ribbon will be broken. Look at the moving average. It's also climbing up. Okay, if you go look at it on the daily, which is again something that most people are not paying attention to, because everybody and their grandmama, they are busy chasing Bitcoin and Solana, whatever you want to call them, right? See, just like I'm telling you, it's a perfect retest. Look at it on the daily. We came back, bounced right on that resistance, now support, bounce on the moving ribbon. And look at the moving average also going up. Now, that's something that people are not paying attention to. Even when you look at it on the 1 hourly. Look, so let me show you something. See, this is the 1 hour. Ribbon still red, but it's pointing upwards and it's still squeezing. This thing is going. Anyways, now it's up to you. If you want to do something else, that is your money, right? I don't have nothing to say about it. Looking at King Casper, you see here, that is what everybody's talking about. Oh, we went up and the crescendo upgrade took everything up, this, blah, 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 and everybody crying about it. And again, yes, crescendo upgrades went live, but the ecosystem has not even started yet. The only one pushing stable coins with OP codes and all that nonsense happening is Casper. You are about to see. I mean, okay, it's up to you if you want to run away from it. This is 1 hourly. I'm not a day trader. I don't really pay attention from the 1 hour. Okay, the 4 hourly, you can see right here. You remember I was telling you the white line. Okay, let me extend it just a little bit. Just like I explained with Quant, I told you I am not a fan of price breaking out and not retesting. You guys do remember that? I did told you. So those of you who are crying right now for the price action, I told you when we broke that 9 cents. Go back on my videos and you will see it. I told you this is not a good sign. I'm happy price is going up, but if you ask me, I would rather price come down and retest that white line. From there, take that momentum. But people who FOMO'd in, they push the price high, expecting this thing to run to 20 cents in 2 days. So yeah, that's what's happening now. See, price is coming down. Moving ribbon is curving down. It's still green, but it's curving downward. So the only thing that can save this price action from coming all the way back down to 9 cents, guys, is if it bounces on the moving average, which again, yeah, is very possible. And if you guys do remember, this red line, it was once resistance, then it turned into support. That's another thing that I am also paying attention to, that if this line, let's extend it a little bit right here. Okay, see that line? So that line right now, it is probably gonna hold Casper if it reaches it, which again we don't know when, but it's something up in between 10 to 10.2 cents. That is something like that. So yeah, watch for it. But for me, I told you, I did not like and I don't like when price breaks out and it doesn't retest previous resistance and turn it into support. That's what happened here. And a lot of people who were not paying attention, yeah, here you go. That's what will happen. This is just coming back down, gathered some more momentum and kept on going, because I do remember I've shown you the price target of this move that we started. Look at it. It seems like another bull flag to a continuation. Okay, it's okay. It's always going to do this. Now, if you look at it, first you're looking at almost 15.5 cents. The white line, right? Let me zoom it out for you. See? White line, second line is going to be right there, 18 cents, which is the blue one. And then Look again, the orange one that says 19 cents. And knowing that this is a falling wedge, that is why the price action, the target is always at the beginning of the falling wedge. Okay, if it is a bearish, the price target is also going to end where the falling wedge started. And again, look at the ribbon on the weekly, still red, but it is climbing up. So yeah, it is up to you. You do whatever you want to do. I will just laugh about it, I'm telling you. Okay, so right now we're looking at Casper going up there to those 20 cents, and from 20 cents is getting to price discovery, and which is something that is about to happen. It is about to happen. Anyways, if you go right quick, let's look at Jasmine, which for me, like I told you, there's no point of looking at this because all you have to do is look at Bitcoin and you will know exactly what Jasmine is about to do. Jasmine, we're on a journey to try to conquer 2.3 cents. If you've been following my channel, you will understand this, okay? Let me do this. Okay, let me zoom it out a little bit. See? I told you, price always gets attracted to the moving average. And I've shown you this chart before. See where the white line ends? 2.3 cents. That is the target for Jasmine. When it gets there or gets above it, we will then re-examine the market to see where this is going. If you look at it on the weekly, you will also see it right there. White line, 2.3 cents. It's almost there. See the ribbon curving upwards. Again, after that, you have the 3.8 cents and then 4.5 cents. I'm telling you, you're about to make insane money with Jasmine. Yeah, you can sit on the sideline like a bunch of them are saying that, yeah, all season the bull run is over with. Like those of them saying it was a double top. You can sit on the sideline, but all I'm telling you, it's going to be a short one, but it's not over yet. Okay, anyways, now let's go right quick. Let's see what Bitcoin is up to. Just a quick overview. Like I told you, there's not much to be said until we get to those targets. And for Bitcoin, the target is that $109,000. But so far, what we have here, let's see. Yeah, on the 1 hourly, looks attractive. That will be for the day traders. If you were a day trader, yeah, this 1 hour looks very good. It looks very attractive. Look at it on the 4 hourly. Let's see. This is why I'm telling you the 1 hour looks attractive, because this thing is almost at the end of this bull flag formation. Bitcoin is about to take off. So if I was a day trader, I would have enter a trade right now, scale it up and wait, because I'm telling you, this setting looks very juicy right now, very, very juicy. If you look at it on the daily, let's see what we got going. See, perfect. If I zoom it out, look at that, perfect bull flag continuation. Now all that has to happen before May 27, because like I'm telling you, May 27, it looks like, yeah, we might have us a little bit of pain by May 27. And after that, you do have in a Wednesday, June 4th. June 4th, I think, is going to take off. And you have the next one, which is Wednesday, June 11. I think we're going to have us a little bit of pain. And then it's going to take off on Tuesday, June 17. Looks like that thing is going to go up. And then we're going to have us a little bit of pain by Friday, that same Friday, before it takes off again. So if you start looking at this stuff, again, I have a July, between July and August, which for me, yeah, we're gonna evaluate the market to see if it is time to close shop, or maybe we keep it open a little longer. But like, if a lot of people are telling you, okay, you see these guys are telling you, oh, Bitcoin $300,000. Yeah, guys, it's not gonna happen. Seriously, you remember last season, last bull run, they were talking about Bitcoin to $150,000. You remember? And what happened? 74, and Bitcoin was out. Somebody like me, I closed shop at I think it was 60. Was it 68 or $69,000? That's when I closed shop, because you guys already know I don't wait for price confirmation. Once I see that bearish momentum coming, yeah, yeah, I may miss that to $2,000-$3,000, but I'm out. That's me. So yeah, that's the same thing that is going to happen. Bitcoin is going to get there. I'm telling you, 150, 160,000 is gonna drop, and everybody and their grandmama is gonna keep on waiting for the $300,000 Bitcoin. And you guys already know when Bitcoin drops, that thing takes everything on its path down to Rec City. That's what it does. Anyways, it's up to you if you want to pay attention to the market or if you want to listen to somebody promoting meme coins. That's you. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions first. But before we do that, please, guys, do not get into leverage trading, because it's the easiest and fastest way. I mean, that's a big shortcut to Rec City. So please don't do that, or else you're going to lose your money. Because again, down below I do have Bydfi, which I do recommend for beginners, Phemex, Margex, and Wix exchange. Follow those links, sign up, meet their deposit requirements, and you will get free money. Once you get that free money, take a $50, $100 and practice. See what the market is doing now is the best way to start that practice, not when it is running upwards. Don't try to catch that falling knife, okay? Don't do that. It's very dangerous. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. First, we're going to start with Bydfi, which you guys already know. I am trading King Casper and Quant. Okay, let's see what that one is doing, because I know a lot of people who were anxious waiting for Rec City, and I kept telling you that it's not going to happen. Okay, I don't care what you're waiting or what you're talking about, it's not going to happen. But anyways, as you can see, I am still sitting up there at $12,600 despite what the market did. I told you that's my way of trading. Okay, if you go look at my contracts, Kaspa is almost 11 cents. Okay, if you look at my contracts for my Kaspa, I am still down 38%, which is 3,400. For my Quant, I am down 16%, which is 1,600. You see, my positions, I trade at 50x. That's why you see any movement the market does, my positions do react aggressively. You can pause it if that's what you want to do, and you will see it. That's my way of trading. That's how I love to do it. That does not mean you should copy it, because everybody has their own style. Okay, now if you go look at the next one, Phemex, you guys already know. On Phemex, I am trading King Kaspa and the Japanese Bitcoin, which is Jasmine. Now, if you look at my overall, I am still sitting at 11,140. Okay, again, my positions react this way because I am an aggressive trader. I trade at 50x. So if you go look at the my contracts, you will see that here for my Jasmine, I am still down 64%, okay, which is $7,000, and for my Casper, I am up 47%, which is $2,000. Okay, so yeah, you can also pause it and look at my numbers if that's what you're interested in doing. I'm trying to rush because, like, guys, I am so tired right now, it's not even funny. So come on, let me move this thing out of the way. Okay, now let's go look at, last but not the least, Wix exchange. Where's my Wix? Right here. Okay, on Wix, you guys know I'm trading King Kaspa, and I'm into the competition with a friend of mine, which I'm using Quant. Let's see, I'm trying to use Quant to show him that, yeah, I can make more money than him trading Solana or whatever he's trading. But anyways, here I am still up $4,800. If you look at my contracts, you will see that on my despite all this craziness that happened, I am still up on my competition. I'm still up 6%, which is $91. And if you look at my Kaspa, I am also still up 56%, which is $1,050. Okay, so yeah, you can pause it, you can look at my numbers, and you will see I trade at 50x. Therefore, the market moved the way it is moving. Yeah, my positions are going to react accordingly. Okay, so yeah, everybody else is telling you different, and I'm telling you guys, if you want to make money, okay, this is not something that is up for debate. Well, it could be up for debate because some people wants to go with turbo AI or whatever they are doing. But guys, if you want to make generational wealth, King Casper, Quant, okay, those two must not miss in your portfolio. Now, short-term bullishness is going to come from Jasmine, okay, and cubic, because again, I told you many times I do have a question mark on Jasmine. I want to see if they're going to do the lockup, if they're whatever their development, how it's going to go. Cubic is that first advantage mover. That's what you have, first mover's advantage. Sorry. So yeah, still on the site. When we over here buying our Lambos, don't say I didn't tell you. Don't come and hate. That being said, guys, thank you very much for watching my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and comment. I'm very interested in knowing what you think about everything that we talked about. Okay, and don't forget to share so that all the millionaire minded attitude like you and yours truly can see these videos and the family can grow. As simple as that. You never know what you're going to learn from a stranger. And last but not the least, yeah, I apologize for yesterday. As you guys can see, I'm trying to speak in a moderate voice because I'm in a hotel room and I do not want to make too much noise for my next door neighbors. All right. Okay, that being said, guys, I apologize again, and I'll try to keep up uploading every day just like I have been doing before, no matter what the situation is. Okay, anyways, again, thank you so much for watching. Until I see you in my next one, please take very good care of yourselves. Okay, and bye bye.